Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Learn with Dana. And I must say that it has been a long time since I have published a video because I got a little too addicted to Minecraft and uh, yeah. So today I'm gonna tell you how to reset the administrator the account password in Windows Sandbox. Now, what on the world is Windows Sandbox, first of all? Now just imagine, okay? Someone sent a file to you, and it says happy.exe, okay? It's like an executable. But happy, I think it's a suspicious file. So you know what to do. You open Sandbox, Control Paste, and when you run it, it runs in an isolated environment. Now, the thing that you are currently seeing is not my desktop. It is the virtual machine. I'm actually running now. You cannot see my typical computer OS. You will only see Windows Sandbox because I'm using a screen recorder called game recorder. No, yeah, game recorder or yeah, game recorder. So from there, it only captures apps. So it only records apps and not Windows Explorer, which means the desktop. So I'm in my virtual machine here. I click on the start menu now. When I click on the start menu, come on! Oh my. Okay, here, what's this account? WDAG. Well, that means Windows Defender Application Guard Utility Account. That means it is a separate account used by Windows Defender. I don't know how much about this account, but watch this. So I tried to log. Now I can restart the video, but when you press lock, it will take you to login screen, but you don't know the password. You don't know. Yeah, so I tried the default password doesn't work. So this day I will tell you a short tutorial. It has been 2 minutes already. Tutorial on how to reset it. First of all, go to your start menu, or you can press CMD. Okay, okay. I'm actually I have an infection wheezing. Yeah, I have wheezing. Yeah, fever. Yeah, I have fever here. So yeah, don't mind that. But press enter there. And since it is running on the WDAG account, as you can see on the screen, this thing. What's this? What was central protection? No. I'm not gonna fall for you, bro. Okay. So we are gonna use command net use. Now press enter and you will see the available accounts. Now if you try to enable these three on the screen, wait, what the heck? If you try to enable these in the screen, it won't work. I tried and it does not work. So this account is what we are looking at. So this is what you have to do. So you type net user, okay? Then you can see this word, Control C to copy it, paste it, and then space slash active colon no. No. I did a really bad typo. What's happening into this? Okay. Net user paste, and then this. Press enter. Now it reset password. Now we need a password. So I'm gonna put 123 as the password. 123. Now we are gonna close this out and then go to start menu. And I recently discovered this yesterday, so yeah. Don't click sign out, click lock. It will take you to this thing. Nice background, by the way. Just put 1, 2, 3, and you're behind the Windows environment. So yeah, so I also will let's go to change account settings. I'll also tell you how to configure things, such as now since you resetted the password, you must do something with it. Now since this is a sandbox, it will just reset the password and it will go to the unknown password that we call. But you can always again go to the computer and do the thing. So yeah, what's his background? Okay, so we're gonna go to user accounts, I guess. User accounts again. And how about it go to manage account, add new user in PC settings. No. I also not gonna fall for it. Wait, I'm gonna click this setting, change your account name. I'm gonna put yo done. Change name for no, like that. This is the dumb. Does this affect my auto stopper? No. How are we gonna manage another account? You don't know. Change the password or something. I put current password 123. 123. 123. Bro, this is the easy way. Bro, this is easy. Change password. Okay. Okay, well, that's pretty much this is kind of like a laughing tutorial or what. Thank you for watching. I'm done with Herat. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you want to learn how to enable it, you should watch Kevin Stratford's video. It is super cool. He's the one who inspired me to enable this thing on my computer. But it's pretty cool application. Yeah, so check his video out. I'm not gonna put it anywhere because I'm a noob at video editing. Yeah. So goodbye everyone. Have a nice day, and I'm done with here signing out.